So they called you a tool of Putin. We know how that feels. What are you doing about it?
Well, I'm taking them to court.
Described by many intelligence experts as having hallmarks,
all the hallmarks of a Russian disinformation campaign.
This is a classic example of the right-wing media machine.
Congressman, thanks so much for joining us. Does it surprise you at all that this information Rudy Giuliani is peddling very well could be connected to some sort of Russian government disinformation campaign?
Well, we know that this whole smear on Joe Biden comes from the Kremlin.
Well, initially, people just assumed that I was a hacker or a thief, mainly because of Twitter labeling the material from the laptop being hacked and then banning the subject matter completely. But after 51 intelligence pillars of the intelligence community decided to call me a Russian disinformation campaign, and Adam Schiff went on CNN to follow that up to express those concerns with the rest of the nation. It was pretty much from that point on I was labeled a stooge of Putin, and Putin thanks me for his service.
So you don't have your store anymore?
No, I had to get out of town before the election. I had to close the shop and leave Delaware.
Yeah. Have you gotten a call of apology from Adam Schiff?
No, I don't expect to right now either.